My insomnia was getting worse, so I did what any tech-obsessed person would do. I downloaded an app. It was supposed to record my sleep, track my snoring, and tell me why I was so tired. For the first few nights, it was normal, just snoring. But then, a weird recording popped up. It was a faint whisper, raspy and low. I couldn't make out the words, so I dismissed it as background noise. But it happened again the next night. And the next, the whisper got clearer. It was saying my name. Last night, I played the newest recording. First, my name, then a loud thud from my closet, and the sound of something heavy being dragged across the floor. And right at the end of the recording, a new whisper, clear as day, right next to the microphone. It said, "I see you're awake.